Imagine a predator silently stalking its prey, moving with grace and precision through the ocean depths. This predator is not a creature of flesh and blood, but a marvel of modern engineering, designed to navigate the vast and mysterious underwater world with unparalleled efficiency. It's not a shark or a barracuda, but a marvel of modern engineering, the underwater drone. These sophisticated machines are equipped with cutting-edge technology, allowing them to operate in environments that are inhospitable to humans. These unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs, are rapidly changing the face of naval warfare, offering a potent blend of stealth, intelligence, and lethality. They are designed to perform a variety of tasks, from surveillance and reconnaissance to direct engagement with enemy forces. Like phantoms in the deep, they patrol the world's oceans, their presence often unknown and always unsettling to adversaries. Their ability to move undetected makes them a formidable tool in modern naval strategy. These underwater drones are the silent guardians of the seas, operating autonomously for months on end. They can be deployed on long-duration missions, gathering valuable data and monitoring vast areas without the need for human intervention. They are the eyes and ears of the Navy, providing critical intelligence and extending the reach of surface fleets. Their advanced sensors and communication systems allow them to relay real-time information back to command centers, ensuring that naval forces are always one step ahead. Their ability to remain submerged for extended periods, coupled with their stealthy profiles, makes them ideal for a range of missions, from reconnaissance to, increasingly, direct combat. They can infiltrate enemy waters, gather intelligence, and even engage targets without ever being detected. The advent of these underwater drones marks a significant turning point in naval warfare. They represent a shift towards more automated and remote operations, reducing the risk to human life and increasing the efficiency of naval missions. No longer are we limited by the constraints of human endurance or the vulnerabilities of large surface ships. These drones can operate in conditions that would be impossible for manned vessels, and they can do so with a level of precision and reliability that is unmatched. These underwater drones represent the future of maritime conflict, a future where wars may be won or lost in the murky depths of the ocean, far from the public eye. As technology continues to advance, the role of these silent hunters will only become more prominent, shaping the strategies and outcomes of naval warfare for years to come. The design of these underwater drones often mimics nature's most efficient underwater predator, the Manta Ray. By studying the Manta Ray's natural movements and adaptations, engineers have been able to create drones that are not only efficient, but also incredibly stealthy. The Manta Ray's unique shape and propulsion system have been meticulously studied and replicated in the development of these drones. This includes the way the Manta Ray glides through the water with minimal effort, conserving energy while maintaining speed and agility. This design allows for exceptional maneuverability and stealth, making them difficult to detect and even harder to track. The drones can make sharp turns and sudden movements, evading detection systems and navigating through complex underwater environments with ease. The smooth, flattened body of the drone, combined with its flexible wings, allows it to glide effortlessly through the water. This not only enhances its stealth capabilities, but also makes it more efficient in terms of energy consumption, allowing for longer missions. This design minimizes drag and reduces the drone's acoustic signature, making it incredibly difficult for enemy sonar to detect. The low drag also means that the drone can move faster and more quietly, further enhancing its stealth capabilities. The wings, powered by silent electric motors, propel the drone with a graceful undulating motion, further enhancing its stealth capabilities. This undulating motion mimics the natural swimming patterns of the Manta Ray, making the drone almost indistinguishable from marine life. This biomimetic design, inspired by millions of years of evolution, gives these underwater drones a significant tactical advantage. By leveraging the natural adaptations of the Manta Ray, these drones can perform complex maneuvers and operate in environments that would be challenging for traditional underwater vehicles. They can operate in close proximity to enemy vessels without detection, gathering intelligence, or preparing for a surprise attack. This capability makes them invaluable for reconnaissance missions and strategic operations, providing critical information while remaining undetected. The Manta Ray design, therefore, is not just about aesthetics. It's about leveraging nature's ingenuity for military advantage. By mimicking one of nature's most efficient underwater creatures, these drones represent a perfect blend of biology and technology, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in underwater stealth and maneuverability. The rise of these underwater drones has given birth to the concept of the Ghost Fleet, a formidable force of unmanned vessels patrolling the world's oceans. This Ghost Fleet operates in conjunction with traditional naval assets, acting as a force multiplier and significantly enhancing the Navy's operational capabilities. The United States Navy, facing an increasingly complex and challenging maritime environment, has been at the forefront of this technological revolution. With traditional naval powers like Russia and China rapidly expanding their submarine fleets, the need for effective countermeasures has become paramount. The Ghost Fleet, with its stealthy underwater drones, provides a compelling solution to this challenge. This shift towards unmanned systems marks a fundamental change in naval warfare. The traditional image of mighty battleships exchanging fire is giving way to a more nuanced and technologically sophisticated battle space. The Ghost Fleet, with its ability to operate undetected and strike with precision, embodies this new era of naval warfare. Hunting the Hunter anti-submarine warfare. One of the primary missions of these underwater drones is anti-submarine warfare. These sophisticated machines are designed to patrol the vast and often treacherous depths of the ocean, ensuring that no enemy submarine can operate undetected. Submarines, with their ability to operate stealthily beneath the surface, have long posed a significant threat to naval forces. Their silent and covert nature allows them to launch surprise attacks, gather intelligence, and disrupt maritime operations. Detecting and neutralizing these underwater predators has always been a challenging endeavor, but underwater drones are changing the game. These drones are equipped with cutting-edge technology that enhances their ability to locate and track submarines with unprecedented precision. Equipped with advanced sonar systems and other sensors, these underwater drones can detect and track enemy submarines with remarkable accuracy. Their sensors can pick up even the faintest of signals, making it difficult for enemy submarines to remain hidden. They can operate independently or in concert with other platforms, forming a comprehensive underwater surveillance network. This network can cover vast areas of the ocean, ensuring that no enemy submarine can slip through undetected. This ability to locate and track enemy submarines is critical for maintaining maritime superiority and deterring aggression. By keeping a constant watch on potential threats, naval forces can respond swiftly and effectively to any hostile actions. Once an enemy submarine is detected, the underwater drone can relay this information back to command, allowing for a coordinated response. This real-time communication ensures that naval forces are always one step ahead of the enemy. In some cases, these drones are equipped with torpedoes or other weapons, giving them the ability to neutralize the threat directly. This capability adds a new dimension to anti-submarine warfare, allowing for immediate action when necessary. This combination of advanced sensors, communication capabilities, and firepower makes these underwater drones a formidable weapon in the fight against enemy submarines. Their presence in the ocean serves as a powerful deterrent, ensuring that naval forces maintain control of the seas. Artificial intelligence at sea, autonomous and deadly. The true potential of these underwater drones lies in their increasing autonomy. Powered by sophisticated artificial intelligence, these underwater drones can make decisions and carry out complex missions with minimal human intervention. This autonomous capability is what truly sets them apart from traditional naval platforms. AI algorithms allow these underwater drones to process vast amounts of data from their sensors, identifying potential threats and making decisions in real time. They can adapt to changing conditions, adjust their course, and even engage in swarm behavior, coordinating their movements with other drones to overwhelm enemy defenses. This level of autonomy is crucial for operating in contested environments where communication with human operators may be unreliable or impossible. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect these underwater drones to become even more capable and independent, further blurring the lines between man and machine in the realm of naval warfare.